How to make $1,000 per day? Making $1,000 per day consistently is ambitious but achievable depending on your skills, experience, and resources. Here are several ways, each requiring different levels of investment, effort, and expertise. 1. High-ticket freelancing or consulting. Skills needed, expertise in a specific field. How to earn, offer high-value services to businesses or clients. Charge $500, $2,000 per client and aim for 1-2 clients per day. Platforms, LinkedIn, Upwork, Freelancer. 2. E-commerce or dropshipping. Skills needed, product sourcing, online marketing, customer service. How to earn, sell products through an online store or marketplaces. You can use dropshipping to avoid inventory costs. Key focus, scaling through marketing, having a reliable supplier, and optimizing conversions. 3. Real estate investing. Skills needed, knowledge of property markets, negotiation, financing. How to earn, buy, flip, or rent properties for high returns. Flipping houses or managing multiple rental units can generate this level of income. Platforms, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com for research. 4. Day trading or cryptocurrency trading. Skills needed, in-depth knowledge of the stock market, cryptocurrencies, risk management. How to earn, trade stocks, options, or crypto. High volatility can provide opportunities, but it also involves high risk. Platforms, Robinhood, eTrade, Binance. 5. Online courses or digital products. Skills needed, expertise in a subject area, online course creation, marketing. How to earn, create high-demand digital products and sell them online. Focus on automation so you can sell at scale. Platforms, Teachable, Udemy, Gumroad. 6. Affiliate marketing. Skills needed, digital marketing, SEO, content creation. How to earn, promote other companies' products and earn a commission on sales. Create blogs, YouTube channels, or run paid ads to drive traffic. Platforms, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Sharizali. 7. High-ticket sales or business development. Skills needed, sales expertise, negotiation skills, industry knowledge. How to earn, work in industries where closing large deals can net commissions of $1,000 or more per sale. 8. Software or app development. Skills needed, programming skills or ability to hire and manage a development team. How to earn, build a product that solves a specific problem, monetize it via SaaS, subscription fees, or ads. Platforms, App Store, Google Play, or create a SaaS platform. 9. Franchise ownership. Skills needed, business acumen, leadership, and management skills. How to earn, invest in a franchise that generates significant daily revenue. Popular franchises like fast food chains can yield high earnings if in a good location. 10. YouTube channel content creation. Skills needed, video production, content creation, marketing. How to earn, create a YouTube channel that attracts large viewership, monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Key focus, consistency, niche focus, and high-quality content. Key factors for success. Consistency. Many of these methods take time to build up, especially in digital content, sales, or investments. Leverage. You need scalable processes to consistently earn high amounts. Investment. Some of these strategies require initial capital, while others, like freelancing or content creation, can start with less. Pick a strategy that aligns with your strengths and long-term goals, and then scale it effectively.